Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into a showdown between two top contenders when it comes to choosing the right CRM. Zendesk versus Salesforce. Which CRM reigns supreme? Let's begin. Zendesk is a cloud-based customer service and engagement platform designed to help businesses manage and improve their customer support operations. It provides tools for customer support, sales, and of course the CRM, enabling businesses to streamline communication, track customer interactions, and of course deliver a better customer experience. So, if you're interested to know about the pricing, they have the Zendesk for service and the Zendesk for sales. If you click on it, you would notice that the Zendesk Suite plans is at $19 and the Suite team is $55. You have all these perks and benefits. The Suite growth is around $89. The Suite Professional is $115, and the Suite Enterprise is going to be around something that you need to discuss with your team or your client and schedule a sales call for that. In terms of the Zendesk for sales, which is one of the best here for sell team, is around $19. Sell growth is $55, and the sale professional is $115. But of course, they offer a free trial if you click this button, and all you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions. All right, and then verify your email. You should be able to receive something like this. Click that button. You should be forwarded to the main dashboard of Zendesk. Right, so we have been using Zendesk for quite some time. Now, once you have logged into your account, you would notice that one of the key features of Zendesk is the ticketing system. All right, they have a centralized platform for managing customer inquiries, such as this. For example, the requester is the customer. All right, you can assign that customer to someone. For example, assign to support. All right, and then if you have followers here, you might want to do with that. You can also add in specific tags right here and the topic. For example, if you want to put in a public reply, type it in. You can turn on draft mode, the format text, emojis, and add attachment. For example, a screenshot of the complaints from the customer or supplemental information. You can also add a link. One of the good thing about Zendesk is applying the macros, so it will save you time instead of manually typing your response. Although some of the CRMs offer a template, but this one is very useful because you just have to type that in. It would automatically put in a different answer for a specific situation. All right. The tools to create and manage a self-service portal with the FAQs is very helpful. Plus the community platform. Now, on the left side, you would have noticed the view sections. All right. You'll be able to access the unsolved tickets, unassigned tickets, so that if you're working with multiple freelancers in your e-commerce business, this will create a seamless workflow for all your team. A good production, if you ask me. This section is for all the customers and suspended users. All right, click on done. Now this one, the left side is the organization. This one is the reporting if you want to generate a report using the Zendesk support, Zendesk guide, Zendesk talk, and Zendesk chat. All right. Now you can also create a trigger and workflow to make all things easier, which is powered by AnswerBot for automated responses, the workflow automations to streamline repetitive tasks and like the ticket routing and the escalation. You see this? These are going to be some of your tools for you to be able to access to create a CRM and sales tools production for a customized workflows, flexible configuration for all the team members involved in your organization or team. All right. Now, our next contender is going to be Salesforce. It is a leading cloud-based software company specializing in customer relationship management, CRM solutions. It offers a suite of tools designed to help businesses manage customer relationships, sales, marketing, service, and more. Now, if you go to the website of Salesforce, you might want to click the login button. If you do that, you would be forwarded to these three options: product, Salesforce, and marketing cloud. I want you to click the try for free option so you can create your account here without any problem. Click the start free trial and just follow the on-screen instructions. And then you should be able to receive a welcome email from Salesforce. Then all I have to do is click the login button and you would be forwarded to the main dashboard. Once you access the main dashboard of your CRM platform, you would notice that one of the key features is the centralized platform for storing customer data, interactions, and managing leads. Because in the left side panel of your dashboard, you would have an option if you wanted to add contacts right here. Click the add contacts manually by putting all the information here. All right, click and save and new. Now, if you have a bulk data for importing, you might want to click on this option so you're not going to be able to do it manually one by one, saving you time. The section of the accounts is similar to contacts. If you want to create an account here, for example, a big business account, a bank account, you can also click this option right here. The sales channel is the tools for managing sales activities, pipeline, and performance forecasting, lead scoring, and opportunity tracking. The service cloud is for the customer service and support platform for case management and issue resolution. As you can see, you have all the cases. For example, if you have like a ticket for pending cases and all the open cases. Now, you have the commerce cloud, which is one of the e-commerce solutions for creating a personalized shopping experiences, which has an integration of online and offline sales channels. And the last option here is going to be the main dashboard. If you click the home page. Now, if you need a comprehensive CRM for sales, service, and marketing, or if you have like a complex workflows or operate an enterprise scale, or if you're looking for an extensive customization and integrations, I believe that Salesforce is going to be the best platform for you. On the other hand, though, you choose Zendesk if your primary focus is customer support. All right, because if you want to use an easy ticketing system with a CRM as secondary feature, or your business is kind of small to medium size and budget conscious, this is the perfect platform for you. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.